Most welcome, dear students of class 7th. I am DN Sukla from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today we have taken the topic in English grammar, chapter number 6, articles. Dear students, this is very important and interesting topic. Today we will discuss about articles. Firstly, you need to know that how many types of article. Dear student, there are two types of article, definite article and indefinite article. Definite article is the and indefinite article is a and an. So firstly, we will talk about indefinite article. The articles a and n are called indefinite articles because they do not point to a particular person or thing. And here some examples and related rules are given. We use a and n before countable nouns. The noun which we can count, we can use a and n before them if they are in singular number. If they are in plural number, then we cannot use a and n because a and n are weak form of one. So, for instance, a chair, an orange. And dear student, next point, we use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. When you pronunciate a word and the beginning sound is consonant, then you will use a. For example, a thirsty crow, a good friend. But if the first pronunciation of the word is vowel, then you will use an. For example, an empty bottle, an independent state. Next point, we use a before words that begin with e and u because they have an initial y sound. For example, a university, a Europe, mean their sound is consonant, while vowel is the first letter of these words. The starting letter is vowel, but their sound is consonant. That is why before consonant sounding words we have to use a. Here in next topic that same thing is written. O, the letter O is vowel, but in this word the O express consonant sound. A one-story building. We use n before word that begin with a silent h. We use n before words that begin with a silent h. Starting letter is h, that is consonant, but the sound that is being produced here is vowel. That is why n here. An honest politician. So that is why use an. We use an before abbreviations if consonants begin with a vowel sound. For example, NMA, the pronunciation of MA, and you need to focus that the first sound is vowel. That is why N is used. NMP, NMBBS. We use a or n before a singular countable noun which is used to represent a class of things. A buffalo is a useful animal. When a singular noun is used to represent the quality of the whole class, then we use a or n before them. We use a or n to indicate one. If we talk about any single, any one, any particular thing, then we can use a or n according to their sound. If consonant sound is being produced, then use a. If vowel sound is being produced, then n. Use n. We have a Daniel in our midst. We use a or n when we speak of a profession. For example, he is a doctor. When we talk about the profession, I am a student, he is a doctor, you are a teacher. We use a before words like dozen, quarter, thousands, few, little, and lot of. Can you give me a little sugar? He bought a few mangoes. It is a quarter of kilometer to the school. These are the words you need to learn them. And here one example, exercise A is given. Here exercise A is given to practice you. You have to feel A and N. What A same, he cannot make it to the reunion. Here you will feel A. He is an honorable man but has been largely misunderstood. I met an Assamese gentleman while traveling from Agra to a hill station. So, thus you will do these exercises. The rest exercises you will do by yourself. If you need help, then I will help you. Now, our next point is definite article. Dear student, this is definite article. Definite article is the. The is called the definite article because it points to a particular person or a specific thing. And now here some rules are given related to the use of the. We use the when we speak of a particular person or thing or one that has already been referred to. Okay, so here if any word, any noun that is already have been used in first sentence and then it is going to be repeated in another sentence, then we need to add the before them. For example, a thirsty crow found a pitcher that contained some water. The clever crow, here crow word is being repeated, so we use the before crow. The clever crow picked up some pebbles in his beak and dropped them one by one into the pitcher. Pitcher word is again being repeated here. That is why we use the before them. We use the when a singular common noun is used to indicate a whole class. When any singular common noun is used for to indicate the whole class of the same kind, then we use the before them. For example, the cow is a domestic animal, the dog is a faithful animal, the dog barks. So here the words these whatever I'm speaking, they are used to represent their whole class. The donkey is a laborious animal. Here donkey word is used for the whole class of the donkey. That is why you use the before donkey. We use the with superlative. There are three types of degree: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. If the superlative degree is written in the sentence, then it is compulsory to use the before them. Virat Kohli is one of the most. Here, most word is superlative degree. That is why the is used before it. You are the most intelligent student of our class. Here, the is used before superlative degree. And we use the with objects that are unique. The object that are only one in the universe, they are called unique. The thing that is only one, so you need to use the before their name, like the sun, the moon, the earth. Okay, next point which we are going to discuss, that we use the before phrases with words like first, last, only, next, following, and previous. For example, he is sitting in the last row. Before these phrase, the words, we use the before ordinals. For example, if you are going to write any ordinals, there are two types of number: cardinals and ordinals. If you are writing ordinals number, then you need to write the before them, the first, the third, the fourth, like this way. Her examination start on the 3rd of March. We use the when we speak of the population of a nation. When we are going to talk about the population of a nation, then we need to use the mean to say when we talk about the citizen of a country, like the Japanese, the Chinese, the Indian, the American, the Nepalese, the Pakistanis, the Bangladeshi. So in such a way, when we represent the nationality or uh, population of a nation, then we use the before their name. We use the before the name of trains, planes, and ships when we are going to take name of any train, like Rajdhani, and when we talk about planes, the Rafale, and when we take the name of ships, the Titanic, the Vikranta, such type of names when we take, that is of trains, planes, or ships, then we need to add the before their name. We use the before the names of well-known buildings, or you can say the historical buildings or institutions. Those are historical, those are very old. Then we need to write the before their name. The Parliament House, the Red Fort. These are the examples. We use the with the names of countries if the name contains a common noun. If the name of any country contains common noun, then we need to add the before their name. The United States of America, the United Kingdom, state and kingdom are common nouns. We use the before the names of newspapers and magazines. All the newspapers name and magazines name. If you are going to write, then you need to write the before their name. The India Today, the Hindu, the Hindustan Times, the Times of India, the Business Standards. Okay, so remember these points, whatever I am telling you, that is written here in the video. We use the with adjectives when those adjectives are used as noun. For example, when any adjective is used as noun to represent their class, then we use the before their that name. We should help the poor. Here the word poor is used, and that is adjective. We use the with the names of rivers when you are going to write or speak the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountains, ranges, desert, canals, gulf. Then you need to write the before their name, the Ganga, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Sea, the Himalayas, the Sahara Desert. And one more point here, students, you need to learn that before the name of uh, all the dam or canals, you need to write the before their name. We use the before plants are of the compass that are used as geographical areas. For example, the Middle East, the West. You can say you need to know it that you can use the before the name of all directions: the east, the west, the north, the south. We use the before plants on the globe. For example, the equator, the south pole. We use the with the names of holy books. All the holy books like the Gita, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran. Mean to say the holy books, those are related to some religion. You can use the before their name. We use the with the names of whole family, the Gupta, the Banjaras, the Jaiswals, the Singhs. Mean to say when the name is used to represent their whole family, then you need to use the before then name. Our next point is omission of article. Mean to say where we cannot use articles. Before expression like last night, last week, last year, next week, or next month, we cannot use the before their name. Before proper noun, if you are going to write any proper noun, then you need not to write the before their name. I am going to Australia. Have you spoken to Hema? Before names of language, there are lots of languages are being spoken all over the world. You cannot use the before their name. The Hindi, the Sanskrit, the Gujarati, the Marathi, the Tamil, the Telugu. If you are using the before these names, then that is incorrect. So whatever you are speaking or writing, then don't use the before the language. They speak Hindi, they speak Tamil, they speak Marathi, Telugu, German, Italian, French, English, Sanskrit, Urdu, Farsi, whatever the name of the languages, you cannot use the before their name. Before plural countable nouns that refer to the entire class, if any plural countable noun is used to represent the entire class, then you cannot use the before their name. I do not like bananas, you cannot use the before bananas. Before, next point, before material nouns like gold, silver, paper, and water, you cannot use the before material nouns. Before abstract noun, when used in a general way, if any abstract noun is used in a general way, then you cannot use the before their name. Honesty is a virtue. Before the names of games and sport, if you are going to write or speak any game name or any name of the sport, then you cannot use the before them. Golf is gaining the popularity in India of late. Hockey, cricket, golf, badminton, these are the names of games, and you cannot use the before their name. Next point, before the names of meals, if you are going to take any meal like breakfast, brunch, lunch, supper, dinner, then you cannot use the before their name. Okay, before expressions such as all day, all night, by air, by sea, by bus, then you cannot use the before such type of words. Dear student, you need to learn all these rules, whatever I am speaking here. It is very important, and now exercises are given here. Insert or omit. Where you need, you can insert articles, or where you don't need, then remove them. Chinese is not a easy language. Then here you need to focus on the sentence. Chinese is not so. Dear student, here in first sentence you need to look very carefully that Chinese is not a easy language. Here a word is incorrect, you need to write here an. In such a way you will solve all these exercises. And exercise C, correct these sentences if necessary. So it was an European problem. So these are some examples are given, and you have to correct them if necessary. If the sentence is written correct, then no need to change anything. If you seem that anything is incorrect, then change. Dear student, you need to learn the definition of definite article and indefinite article, and also you will learn the use of definite and indefinite articles in detail, and you will write every rule regulation related to article in your CW copy. Thank you very much for watching this video.